Use color to decorate your office. Decorating your office in a fun and lively manner is one way to make your workspace enticing. If you have a functional and beautiful work area, it can help you become more productive. One way to enliven your office is with the use of color. Here's how to use color to decorate your office. Consider the type of business you are in. Before you choose your colors, you need to first think about your business or what your office space is used for. For example, if you are in banking or finance, you want to be able to convey to your clients a sense of stability and order. This is why many financial institutions are painted in gray and other somber colors. On the other hand, if you are a designer or are in a creative field, you have more leeway when it comes to the color you use in your space. Create a mood on your walls with color. Paint on the walls is the easiest yet most dramatic way to add color to your office. However, be mindful about the color that you use since it can create a mood. If you want your office to feel like a relaxing sanctuary, you may want to stay with cool colors, such as slate gray or a light blue. Pink has also been shown to add to a relaxing mood. If you want to get your creative juices flowing and uplift the energy of the space, use warm tones such as yellow, orange and red. Be especially mindful of the color you pick for the wall your desk faces, since this is the color you will be most likely to look at throughout the day. Add a hint of color with the use of accessories. If you can't change the color or your walls, you can still incorporate color in your office by playing with your accessories. Get an office desk set in a fun, lively color if you want to contrast the somber colors of your walls. Get a set in bright pink, red, or orange to add a splash of color. See if your computer monitor comes in a different color. If you use a laptop, you can purchase skin casing for your unit to brighten up the space and at the same time express your personality. If you can, hang a colorful painting on your wall. Use your furniture. Bring in color to your room by carefully selecting your office furniture. Choose a red or bright green office chair to liven up your room. Choose a couch with some color, or have an accent throw pillow for a splash of hue. Use natural elements. There's no better way to use color when decorating than to bring in a vase of fresh cut flowers. Bring in the colors of the season with a floral arrangement. Bring in greens and other earth elements to the room with a potted plant on your desk. Consider the lighting in the office when choosing colors. Think about how much natural light your office space gets. You can manipulate the hue of the room using a colored shade in your room. Get a desk lamp with a bright colored shade. It's very easy to use color in your office space when decorating. Make your workspace more beautiful and interesting by using color.